To change the language of a card site in a user-friendly way, you need to access the site settings from your dashboard and adjust the localization options. This helps ensure your website content and interface elements are easier to understand for your target audience. Start by opening your card dashboard in your browser. This is where all your websites are stored, including published sites and drafts. Carefully select the site you want to modify, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you have selected the correct site, click Manage this site. This will open the full site management panel where all configuration options are available. Inside the management panel, look for the Settings tab. This section contains important options that control how your website behaves, including general configuration, publishing settings, and language preferences. Scroll through the settings until you find the Language or Localization section. This area allows you to define the primary language used for your site interface or supported content display options, depending on your setup. Click the Language drop-down menu to view the available language options. Card may provide a list of supported languages depending on your account settings and site configuration. Select your preferred language from the list. Once selected, the system will prepare to apply the changes to your site's display and structure. After choosing the language, save or apply the changes to confirm your selection. This ensures that the new language setting is properly stored and linked to your site configuration. Return to your site preview to verify the update. In most cases, the language change will be reflected immediately, but you may need to refresh the page if it does not appear right away. It is important to note that some elements may still depend on manually written content, so those parts will need to be translated separately if they are not automatically affected by the language setting. And that's how you change a site language in Card. Open Manage this site, go to Settings, select your preferred language, and apply the changes for a more user-friendly experience.